Here we are on May 28th, 2010, and that Daddy is going to start a fire with a bow and
bow drill.
It's called a bow drill. Daddy's very, very excited. He's always wanted to start a fire this way.
And he's making smoke now. That means close.
Daddy was 47 years old when he started his first fire with a bow drill. Woohoo! I see it smoking. I see it smoking. Smoking.
Smoking by scrap. Awesome.
Look at my baby.
And actually, this is his second time. He did his first time a few minutes ago. But this is on the same day he did his
strong
first one.
bear.
Boy, that smoke smells bad.
Now Daddy's blowing on the little ember that he made.
Bird nest here. Hopefully this one will make it.
Come on, Daddy, you can do it.
Oh, he's doing it. Sparks, sparks, sparks.
Ooh, it's gonna blow.
Yay! 2 in a row.
Give me a smile. Daddy! Success. Ooh. You did it, Daddy, you did it.
2 in a row.
Go on.
Oh, that's a lot of work.
Look at the fire. Look at the fire. Look at the fire now.
I will. How old are you?
6.5.
My baby.
No.
I see the fire. Good job, Daddy, you foxy bear.
Okay.
My big campy bear. I love you.